happen? Hey, I'm Dana, and today we are watching episode 5 of Chainsaw Man. Yay. So let's get to it. Okay. She's gonna be like, psych. Her chicken cutlet fell out. Oh my gosh. And make your bosom look bigger. I can't believe it either. Oh my gosh. Wait, okay, we need to pause this. Hold on a minute. What just happened? Did this just happen? What did I just watch? What?
NANI?
Oh, I didn't think that was ever gonna. I can tell that I'm not watching an American show. I don't think that would ever happen. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. All right.
Just usa.
I'm ready. Let's roll that back. Okay. There. Done. All done. Was it not fantastic? He's speechless, looking for you to grasp sponges things. And now we're even. I have no reason to hunt devils in. There's lots of stuff I could say, but I will never wash these hands again. Oh. Now we off to bed we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's it. Wow, I did not expect that to actually happen. I thought she was just gonna be like, oh yeah, psych boy, next time, maybe next time, maybe next time. I didn't actually think that she was gonna let him do it. Wow, that was, and she was liking it. Like, you know, they were, whoa, whoa, wow, wow, wow. I really did not see that coming at all. Never would I have guessed that that's what the episode would have started out with. Which, like, you know, they were saying it and they were telling you this was gonna happen, but, you know, I didn't believe that I was gonna watch that in the first like 10 seconds of this show. Just like straight booby grabbing. Wow. I'm excited to see what else is gonna happen during this episode. It's probably gonna be another epic battle or something. Maybe them in their apartment. And he was just like, oh, well, that's it. So now, what is his next dream gonna be? I feel like this whole show is just gonna be his dreams. All right, show starting, let's get back to it. Okay, Hayakawa's not drinking his coffee on the balcony. Oh, he is still speechless. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, she's actually eating her breakfast this time. Seconds would be splendid. Dang, girl. Shall we slaughter devils together? Oh my gosh, he is still hung up on that. Hey. Chop. Chop. Oh. This is the form apology for the damage. This is verifying the disposal of the devil's bodies. And then there's this administrative. A lot of paperwork. You need to stamp it here and here. Oh, because they use stamps as signatures over there, right? I know they do that in Korea. I don't know if they do that in Japan.
What's that?
Dana's fun fact. A Hanko is a small circular or square stamp dipped in red ink that's used in Japan as we use handwritten signatures here in the States. They're used to sign anything from bank documents to delivery slips to marriage registration. And that's a fact. Let's get back. It's almost like killing the bad devil is a bad thing. Is something bothering you, Denji? I am so happy. You know, there's something I was chasing after and I finally managed to get it, and now I don't know what to do with my life. Once I did, it wasn't as big of a deal as I thought. I don't know if I go after something else, get my hands on it. It's kind of sad. I'm just gonna think I was happier during the chase. No, I think that's human nature, you know? The excitement of chasing after something, the hunt, whereas once you finally fulfill it. But it wasn't that great. Oh, don't tell me. Don't tell me. She's gonna put his hands on her boobies. When it comes to sex, the better you understand the other person, the better it feels. It's hard to understand how someone else feels. How long are their fingers? This is a very sensual moment. Are their palms cold? Are they warm? What's the shape of their ears? Whoa! Have you ever had your... Oh! Remember this? Oh! If you can't see, you able to tell it's me? Oh, what? What am I watching? She's gonna give this guy a heart attack. Do something for me. Can I? Oh, what's she gonna ask? I want you to beat the gun devil. Oh, is that how she's just working him? It appeared in America 13 years ago, but nobody knows where it is now. Did it kill her family? Very strong devil that all hunters want to kill. See, I told you in the first episode, she was just playing our boy. And look at her now. She is like, oh. Oh, I like how she's playing him. Just don't break his heart, okay? Or I'll kill you. Okay, just kidding. I already know what she's going to say. I will. If your Denji kills the Miss Makima is gonna make any wish of his come true. It's like, I mean, saying if your Denji kills the Miss Makima is gonna make any wish of his come true. Oh, he's blushing. Anything like even. I said anything. Is that even allowed? Dang, she is. It's only allowed because this devil is so strong and bad, mind you. Wow. Wow. I was wondering how he was going to keep going, you know, because he already touched his boobies twice. Well, technically 4 times, but interesting that they're bringing. That's when the gun devil appeared. Was when 9/11 happened. This is where I live, said the city mouse. But yeah, so he has a new, I guess, dream, and they're all very sexual dreams to fulfill. He never does. I don't remember him feeling good. Be good and play by yourself. Okay, so this kid has a sick younger brother, and his parents don't pay attention to him. I want to play with him. Oh, so pretty. I love the sound of stepping in fresh snow and the they nailed that. Quit following me. Is the gun devil gonna find them and, you know, start attacking them? I said cut it out. Gonna play by myself. Oh. Huh? Snow fight. Oh. One of them wants it, one of them does not. Wow, this looks so pretty. It's cold. This kid has probably never had this much fun. If you catch a cold, I'm gonna get in trouble. You guys won't get cold if we play catch, right? Go grab a glove from the house. Oh, it's telling him to go grab a glove so he can leave. He's gonna ditch him. Is he? Oh no, he's gonna wait for him. Oh, is the devil gonna come and eat him? And then his brother's gonna come back and he's gonna be all like bloody and dead. $1.2 million. The gun devil hasn't been seen since. He was just warming up to his poor brother. Oh. In an attempt to weaken the gun devil. This is the strongest one. Won't increase censorship of the news. I'm not sure I understand, but let's say this thing's so strong it's hard to understand. Do you think he can beat it, Denji? It's gonna be tough, but you know what he wants, so I bust out all the stops. It'll be a piece of cake. First we'll need to actually find the gun devil. Oh yeah, good luck with that. I wonder if it's gonna be a devil like him, where it's like part devil, mostly human. Or just torn off from it moving. Oh, I guess not. If a devil eats some of this, no matter what their nature, they become more powerful. If they eat bullets, so they stick together. Once the chunks of flesh reach a certain size, they start to be attracted to the original body. Ah, so it's like a magnet. Let me make this piece bigger. It'll lead us to the gun devil. Got one. Eesh. Snack you on a piece of the gun. Explains how such a wimpy devil got so strong. Ah, yeah. Or did someone serve it up? So what if Denji eats one of the bullets? Will it make him stronger? And he'll be able... Aww, he's the brother? Received a quest for devil extermination. The devil has been spotted outside of a hotel. No confirmation on the status of the hotel's guests. Have been found dead. The target has consumed a piece of the gun devil. They've all got suits except Denji in power. They look so, not as put together. There's no ordinary devil. It's eating a piece of the gun devil's flesh. I don't think it is. It wouldn't be that easy. It's gonna take a couple episodes for them to find this one. Guess not. I thought I told you to work on your manners. Ah? You're just gonna stop you for no reason. How foolish and conceited are these humans? Gum? Mr. Hayakawa, sir. Oh, so they can get the gum. Oh my goodness, children. Considering it's the devils, can we really just trust these two to watch our backs? We can't let them watch our backs. They'll be taking points, so technically you're watching their backs. Turn to switch sides, we kill them. You're treating us like livestock. Kinda. You two don't get... He's super pissed, man. Must be annoying. Perhaps our prank went too far. Oh, what did they do? Call that a prank? I could kill you. Well, what? Yeah, what happened? I want to know. What did they do? The bat almost killed me. Now there's more work. I want a reward. Take one for the team. Whoever kills this devil will win. A kiss on the cheek from yours truly. A boob, sex, kiss on the cheek. Who's not married shouldn't be so indecent. But does an reward help with motivation? That seems to be the theme of the show. Everyone just needs some kind of motivation. Sensual motivation. Don't worry about it. I'm plenty motivated. Oh. Got my sights set on someone for a first kiss already. No smooching for me. Aww. I learned something real important. Sex stuff feels better when it's two people who get each other. Oh my gosh. I don't even know your name, so I ain't after your lips. Tell it to her. Then if you kill the devil Denji, I'll give you a kiss with the tongue. Oh my gosh! Oh man. Hi, Han. Train me for the last 6 months. If the alternative is letting some thug like you kiss her, then I'll take that kiss on the cheek. Nasty. Oh my, what a group. What's your take on the rookies? Arise, not super competent, but makes up for it in motivation. Meanwhile, Kobeni's got the moves, but she's really timid. You think any of the 4 rookies have a shot of surviving? Yeah, maybe one of them will die. Most people either die or go private after a year, regardless of how strong I thought they were. That's not really an answer. Don't die on me, Aki. Grave site with a bunch of crows. What's going on here? Himeno. This is your new partner. He's rude, but I trained him to be of some use. I'm Aki. Nice to meet you. Is Himeno's the one that just lost his brother, right? Or was it Aki. And I think he... I don't know. I think so. You're gonna be my 6th partner. Wow. So Himeno's lost 5 partners already. Because they were useless. Oh, dang. Don't die on me, Aki. I'm not seeing any devils around here. Well, they're not just gonna come out and like... Actually, they're devils. They probably would. Meat chunk of yours even work. Aki. Incoming. Got a good sense. Yeah. That's it? Ooh. That reminds me a lot of Attack on Titan. The way it smiled and its mannerisms. It floats. Oh yeah, there goes the blood pounder. Easy. That was it? Yeah, floated in fear of me? No, that's my power. I've got a contract with the Ghost Devil. I served up my right in exchange for being able to use the Ghost right hand. Oh, my ghost hand invisible and strong. Pretty slick, right? Interesting. No strong. Okay, so there's more devils in there. Dang, a lot of blood came out of that thing. So have all of them given up parts of their body for these to work with these devils to be a part of this Devil Hunter team? She gave up her eye. Aki gives up his skin every single time. Technically, Denji gave up his whole body for the devil, but also Pochita saved him. Right? It can always choke you to death. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay. I prefer we get along. It's easier. All right. We see the ghost hand. The devil is... Can you... Pipe? Did they just go in a circle? We're on our way to the 9th from the 8th floor, right? But this is the 8th floor. Something's going on here, yeah. Girl, like, oh, she's still going on about eating the girl. I want to try steak. But he's never tried steak? Poor thing. Huh? You were going downstairs, right? And now he's upstairs, but going back down to the same level. They're stuck. That's it. I like this. It's kind of trippy. I feel like with this outro, I'm looking into someone's mind and just the constant thoughts that someone has. You know how when you're like thinking of something, but then it leads to something else, but it leads to something else, and it leads to something else, but they're all kind of random. Like if you said it out loud, it wouldn't sound interconnected. But, you know, there's one solid string of thought within all of those. That's what this outro reminds me of, if any of that made sense. But that was an interesting episode. I feel like they walked into some kind of demon's like head, or like a demon's cursed floor, and I don't know, and then they're just like going in an infinite loop. I don't know. Did that demon's head that they sliced have something to do with it? Like by cutting it, did they like open some like Pandora's box, and you know, now they're just like in an infinite time loop? I don't know. I don't know. But that definitely an interesting episode to watch because, well, I didn't see it going that way, to say the least. You know, like I said, I didn't think that Power was actually gonna let him do that, you know, like, and she enjoyed it, I mean, of course. And then Makima, girl. But you know what? She has been playing him from the start. She knows what gets Denji going, you know? She knows how to, you know, how to push those buttons and make him go, you know what? You're right, let me do it. She's like, oh, that was his dream, and now he feels a little defeated because he achieved his dream and it wasn't exactly what he wanted it to be. It wasn't all that he expected. It wasn't, he got it, it was done, that was it. It seemed like he was just done with everything. He didn't have any more motivation to keep going on. And she was like, oh, bet, I got your new motivation. Me. So, I mean, I guess whatever works. I just did not see any of that coming. But it is interesting to see the whole dynamic of this team because this is the first time that we've actually seen them all working together. Could you even say they're working together? Because I don't know if they're working together, but soon they'll become a better team. Right now they're like this. Soon they'll be like this. Like that. I hope no one on the team dies. Are they foreshadowing that Aki is going to die? Because forgot their name, already kept saying, please don't die on me. I've already lost 5 other people. I can't lose a 6th. So is he gonna die? I feel like the show does a lot of foreshadowing. I don't know. But we just gotta keep watching and figure out what is going on in this time loop. So I'll see you guys back here next week.